Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. We talk about AI a lot recently, and of course, we also talk about PCs that are AI capable. Of course, the marketing for Microsoft on that, a lot of them is the Copilot Plus PCs, and this is, of course, AI driven computers. They, of course, have NPUs, neural processing units, in them. And so, how are the sales of these devices going, and what is the prediction? So, according to Counterpoint Research, the sales of AI PCs in 2024, or generative AI capable PCs, was about 1 out of 4, which is 25% of all PCs, all laptops sold, were generative AI capable. So that's what happened in 2024. Of course, that means that 75% of the PCs were good old standard PCs like we know. Now, one of the companies, Canalys, that of course looks at the market share, and we talk about that company regularly, has actually issued its prediction for 2025 on PC sales and what will be the percentage of generative AI capable PCs. According to Canalys, the generative AI PC will actually be, at the end of this year, 2025, 60% of all PCs sold, which means that from 25, we should be moving on to 60% of all PCs that will be sold that has NPUs and capable of generative AI. And of course, the prediction for 2026 is that pretty much the big majority of all PCs will be generative AI. One of the ideas behind this also, and one of the reasons for a fast adoption, is that the AI capable PCs were pretty much high-end PCs for the most part of 2024. But starting this year, 2025, and they say we're already starting to see this, mid-range PCs are starting to get AI too. And because the prices are going down by the end of the year, PCs that are not as expensive will have AI capable chips in them. And of course, in 2026, most PCs will have dropped to a price point where anybody buying a PC will probably be buying an AI capable PC anyways. So this is what is predicted for the future. Of course, when we look at Windows 11, the push to AI and Copilot Plus PCs, recall, and of course, eventually maybe a Windows 12 towards 2026, it's hard to think that Windows 12 will not be a full AI operating system. So I would predict that if Windows 12 is a thing in 2026, you will need a generative AI capable PC to run it probably. So this is interesting numbers. We'll see what happens, but slowly the adoption rate is going there. So 1 out of 4 in 2024, and expected to move up to 60% this year. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.